In today's video, I'm going to show you the AI trading bot I built with Claude AI back in February. Right here, you can see the bot's real performance after running for 22 hours, including the transaction history and current balance. And honestly, the results are pretty impressive. A few months ago, I started building an AI trading bot with one goal in mind: creating a system that could fully automate the trading process. I gave Claude AI a clear instruction: build a secure and gas-optimized arbitrage bot for Ethereum decentralized exchanges. And the result exceeded my expectations. Claude AI didn't just create a simple prototype or proof of concept. It generated a fully functional smart contract for the trading bot that was ready for real-world deployment, featuring an efficient architecture and advanced security protections. The trading bot continuously monitors Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, searching for short-term price differences across different liquidity pools for the same token pairs. When it detects a lower price in one liquidity pool and a higher price in another, it executes an atomic buy and sell transaction, capturing the crypto arbitrage opportunity before the prices equalize again. By executing these operations at scale, the system aims to generate returns from multiple arbitrage opportunities. All right, let's dive in. In today's video, I'll break everything down step by step and show you the bot's real-world performance. First, you'll need to install a Web3 wallet extension in your browser. Almost any wallet that supports Ethereum will work. As you can see, I'm using MetaMask. If you're on a mobile device, you'll need to complete the entire process through the wallet's built-in dApp browser. Next, let's move over to the online compiler platform. Create a new file and give it any name you like. It can be whatever you want. Let's continue. Now we need to copy the bot's smart contract code into the file we just created and deploy it. The code is open source. If you have any concerns about security, you can review it on any trusted auditing platform. And I'll share all the necessary links and resources in the video description below. Check the Solidity version at the top of the code, then select the same version in the Compiler tab. Check the Auto Compile option. Then click the button below to compile the contract. Next, let's deploy the contract. Switch to the Deploy tab. Open the drop-down, select the option, and connect your wallet. Once connected, your wallet details should appear here. Now, I'll click here to deploy the contract. I need to pay a small gas fee, which is required for any transaction on the blockchain. Excellent. The bot has been deployed, and the control panel features a streamlined and intuitive design. But before we actually get started, click here to check the contract details and make sure everything is correct so we can safely move on to the next step. After opening Etherscan, we can see the contract creator's address displayed on the page. Open your wallet and compare it with your wallet address. If both addresses match exactly, it means you have full ownership and control of this bot. Next, copy the contract address. We're going to fund the bot so it can start operating. Based on my testing, I recommend starting with 2 to 20 Ethereum. This gives the bot enough liquidity to operate efficiently and access more trading opportunities. The minimum starting amount is 1 Ethereum. Keep in mind, going below this amount can be risky because gas fees can eat into your profits and even your initial balance. Perfect. The ETH has been successfully sent to the contract address. Now, we're ready to start the actual process. Return to the control panel, click Start, and confirm the action. Everything is set. Simple as that. The bot is now officially live and running. You can see the transactions here and in the logs. Let's give it 24 hours and see how it performs. After that, we'll come back and review the results. Welcome back. The bot has been running for 22 hours, and the moment we've been waiting for is finally here. Let's see how it performed. This looks great! After running for 22 hours, we can see 9 transactions recorded. This is exciting. We started with 2 Ethereum, and so far the balance has increased by 0.85 Ethereum. For demonstration purposes, I'll now withdraw everything back to my wallet. This includes the initial capital and the results from the test. Once completed, the bot will stop running. Click the Withdraw button and confirm. And just wait for the transaction to be confirmed. And that's it. We're all done. If you run into any issues during the setup process, you can find my contact information in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.